Hi everyone, today we tour a truly unique loft-style condo right in downtown Bangkok. This 129 square meter one-bedroom on the 17th floor features open spaces, modern minimalistic design, and expansive windows and balconies for you to take in the gorgeous panoramic views. So we're in a building called Diamond Tower, which is right in the middle of Bangkok's financial district of Silom, and we can literally see Chongnonsi SkyTrain station and the Mahanakhon building from our balcony, which takes up the entire west side of our unit. As we come in from the entrance, I like how this unit was thoughtfully divided into your open plan living area with your kitchen and panoramic balcony that you saw earlier. And through there is your private area consisting of your bedroom, bathroom, and private work area. So we turn our attention back to the living room area where you can see that with the gray ceramic tiles, the high 3-meter ceilings, the open plan layout, and the clean minimal design is what gives it its signature modern loft style. And turning this way, you really get to see how well lit this unit is, because as a corner unit, it really takes advantage of these open windows from this direction as well, making your countertop cooking experience very enjoyable. And we have stocked this kitchen with the absolute best, with high quality wood countertops, appliances by Goranghe, including, of course, a dishwashing machine, sink, built-in oven, induction stove, and extractor. And you'll notice that the ceilings feature exposed beams, which bring the ceiling height to 3.1 meters. The kitchen also connects this way back to the living room, which gives it a really nice flow. So I'm going to take you now to the other side of the unit. We're now back at the entrance hallway with this really nice mirror and bench, and you can store your shoes through this cabinet, and your laundry machine is discreetly situated in here. And I really like what they did to this bathroom. So they divided the bathroom into 2 rooms. The first room here with the toilet and the sink can serve as the powder room for your guests because it has direct access from the hallway. The shower and other sink is in the other room, which we're going to have a look at now. And we now arrive in the master bedroom that faces south. And you can see the second bathroom here with another sink and a shower stall with a rain shower and this beautiful green mosaic tile. And you can close the partition here that is made of this beautiful wood veneer. Now, what's truly exceptional about this unit here is, well, 2 things. First, it's a corner unit where the living room has exposure to the west. Now this is the south and also the east. And the second thing is the bedroom has another balcony that has a bathtub with a view. Not only that, your unit curves around even further to this area here where you can turn into your walk-in closet or your reading/office area because of the natural sunlight coming in from the east. So if you're interested in this property or any other property in Thailand, you can see the link in the video description or go to my website, jetgunther.com up here. We handle a variety of budgets at all the major Thai cities. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I wish you all the best in your real estate journey.